Spelling errors. There are many words that we commonly misspell. In the exams, it is often asked to find out the misspelled word or find the correctly spelled word. There are so many, but I don't want to burden you with endless number of words, so I will keep it tidy. Though the list will be small but very important. I can assure these will cover the spelling error part of your examinations. Each video in this series will have 20 words. Here are some commonly misspelled words. Some fonts are made red to highlight where students commonly make mistakes in spelling.
Accelerate. It means begin to move more quickly. Accessible. It means able to be reached. Accessory. A thing which can be added to something else in order to make it more useful, versatile, or attractive. Accommodate. Provide lodging or sufficient space for living. Acquaint. Make someone aware of or familiar with. Aficionado. A person who is very knowledgeable and enthusiastic about an activity. Aggressive. Ready or likely to attack. Anecdote. A short, amusing or interesting story about a real incident or person. Anomaly. It means inconsistency. Apparent. It means something which is clearly visible. Auxiliary. It means additional. Indispensable. It means necessary. Innocuous. It means not harmful. Inoculate. It means immunize. Invigorate. It means energize. Iridescent. Showing luminous colors that seem to change when seen from different angles. Irresistible. It means too attractive. Laboratory. A room equipped for scientific experiments. Leisure. It means free time. Liaison. It means cooperation. This is it. We will see more words in the next video of this series. Share the video, and if you have any suggestion or query, comment in the box below.